We're going to be talking about what you would do in a case like this where you're going to be working on a sign on the side of a building or just working on the side of a building and you need something to anchor to, and all you have above you is a parapet wall. Guardian has the parapet wall anchor, which can be used in a variety of different situations. If you have tilt wall, solid concrete, or solid grouted block, you can use this as an anchor point and put it up onto the parapet wall, and we'll do a demonstration on how to do the installation. Before you use any fall protection products, you're going to make sure that you do a full inspection of each item that you're going to be using. Today we're going to be using the 20-foot web retractable by Guardian. We're going to pull all 20 feet out to make sure that there are no frays or cuts or chemical burns or anything that's on the retractable. We'll make sure it's in proper working condition. Before we go and put this on the parapet anchor, we're going to make sure that we attach our lanyard retriever. So that way when we get back down onto the ground and we're going to be working off of our ladder, we'll be able to pull down our retractable, hook on, and that way we're not leaving it fully extended when we go to break and stuff like that. Okay, before you put your retractable on the anchor point, you're going to take your lanyard retriever, hook it onto the connecting device, then place your retractable on the anchor point. Make sure that your retriever is fully untangled. That way you can retrieve it once you get down to the bottom. Next, we're ready to go down and begin our work. Once you have your parapet anchor in place and you're ready to perform your work on the sign or working off of the ladder, you take your retrieval and you pull down, and using your Guardian 4-in-1 lanyard, which has an extender on it, which makes it very easy to hook yourself on and take yourself off. You hook onto here, take your retrieval off, and now you're ready to go up and down the ladder. You'll be fully protected. The retractable is going to allow you to be moving up and down the ladder freely without not having to worry about adjustments on a rope or having a 6-foot shock absorbing lanyard not giving you enough working room. Okay, here you're going to be able to perform your work. I could do something on this sign right now. We'll back down the ladder, we'll move the ladder over, and you'll see how the retractable, as long as you stay directly below the anchor point, you will not get that swing factor. Always make sure that you reset your ladder so that you have the proper angle every time you go to move it. Once you're done completing your task, you want to make sure that you still take your equipment. Now that the job is done, you don't want to hurry up and just put it away and let it go, and you want to make sure you take care of this stuff because this is what's going to save your life. When you're done, you're going to take your retractable, you're going to disconnect, hook your retriever line back onto it, and then let it go slowly back up into the retractable. Do not just let it go. When you let it go and it flies back into the retractable, you're damaging the gears, you're compromising the metal inside. You want to make sure that you're taking good, proper care of your retractables.